Hello friends, VBSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science is welcoming you to the class for the competitive examinations, AS, KS, AA, AP, AS, Andhra Pradesh Administrative Service, any other state government administrative service, any competitive examinations, any rank of competitive examinations, the VBSMA is going to give information about the general knowledge series, my dear friends. The genetic origin of teak found, a paper cutting news read by Veerabhadraya Demaya. Teak wood, everybody knows about teak wood, but the information is very important for the sake of answering certain things in the examination, especially competitive examinations. Knowledge is power, my dear friends. We have to study and we have to prepare so many things for the competitive examinations because of the competitive world. Teak Tectona grandis, a tropical hardwood tree species in the family Lamiaceae, a large deciduous tree that occurs in mixed hardwood forests. Tectona grandis, a small, fragrant white flowers arranged in these dense clusters, panicles, at the end of the branches. These flowers contain both types of reproductive organs, perfect flowers. The large papery leaves of teak trees are often hairy on the lower surface. My dear friends, molecular studies show that there are two centers of genetic origin of teak, one in India and another in Myanmar and Laos. This is the flower. Flowers at Anantagiri Hills in Rangareddy district of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, India. This is a teak tree. Most of the people knows about the teak plantations and all. No need of just for important things. A new genetic analysis aims to guide restoration of harvested Myanmar teak forests by John Rob Poole on 15th May 2015. He has submitted his information and research things. Teak Tectona grandis in one of the most valued tropical hardwoods for its beauty, durability, and versatility. Teak trees naturally occur in the Indo-Pacific region, where a long history of the exploitation along with the deforestation has led to the declines in the species. A recent study published in Mangawe Combs Open Access Journal, Tropical Conservation, Science analyzes the genetic makeup of teak in Myanmar, its largest stronghold, and uses the results to offer advice about how Myanmar teak should be conserved. Teak grows naturally in India and Myanmar, Thailand and Laos, of which Myanmar is the only country that has not banned harvesting of the species from the natural forests. So extensive teak planting programs were later implemented by the country's forestry department beginning in 1997 and by a private company in 2007. Even so, the country's teak forests have dwindled in the last 2 decades. So this is the most of the areas. Teak grows naturally in India, Myanmar, Thailand and Laos, of which Myanmar is the only country that has not banned harvesting of the species from the natural forest. So this is the important Burma teak is available throughout the world and it is export quality. This is the Myanmar Burma teak. And here in India, this is the Madhya Pradesh and Western Ghats surroundings, and we are getting so many forestations of the teak woods. So these are the seeds of the heavy and round teak fruits do not disperse far from the parent tree because of its heavy nature. The dispersion is not possible so easily by air. Only by water or by any manual thing you can do the dispersal of fruits and seeds in this one. So forestation can be done with the help of seedling and teak plantations. Well, from the researchers collected leaves from 480 teak trees of 20 populations throughout Myanmar's by physiographic regions, the northern mountains, western mountains, eastern plateau, central basin and lowlands. The researchers identified 4 genetically distinct groups of populations that correspond to the geographic regions. So as far as, for instance, the southern populations were separated from the other groups by rivers and high mountain ranges. So based on the findings, the researchers recommended that the highest priority should be given to the conserving 4 of the 20 natural teak populations because of their high levels of genetic diversity and divergence from other populations. Well, friends, this is a segment farming teak tree. The teak plantations, they were widely established in equatorial forest of Africa. Then during the colonial era, these timber resources as well as the oil reserves are the heart of the current 2014 South Sudanese conflict. Much of the world's teak is exported by Indonesia and Myanmar. So grow a plant, teak plant, and plant your areas, and let us enrich the ecological balance so that the blue planet Earth will be having a sufficient life and save Earth, save life. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.